Hi everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS Orbit. Welcome to this video Cracking the IELTS, Mastering the Marking Criteria. If you are preparing for IELTS and wondering how the test is scored, this video will help everything make crystal clear. Understanding the marking criteria is not just helpful, it's essential if you want to improve your score. So let's dive in. Let's start with the listening and reading sections. These parts are objective, meaning there's only one correct answer for each question. No opinions, no partial credit, just right or wrong. Each question is worth 1 mark. Your total correct answers are then converted to a band score. Here's a quick idea of how that works. If you get 39 to 40 correct answers, that's band 9. 35 to 36 gets you band 8, and so on. Around 23 to 26 correct usually lands you at band 6 in listening. Here's a tip. You don't lose marks for wrong answers, so never leave a question blank. Also, remember that the academic and general training reading modules have slightly different scoring, so check the official IELTS band conversion table for accurate info. Let's move on to writing. This section is marked more subjectively based on 4 criteria, each worth 25% of your total writing score. The first one is task response in task 2 and task achievement in task 1. This is all about, did you answer the question fully? Did you give relevant supported ideas? Did you stick to the topic? Here's a quick comparison. A band 5 essay may go off topic or lack relevant ideas. A band 9, it addresses every part of the task, supports arguments clearly, and shows deep understanding. Common mistakes which can be made here is not writing enough, minimum 150 words in task 1 and 250 in task 2. Not answering all parts of the question. Third mistake is repeating ideas without developing them. Here's a tip. Always read the question carefully, underline key points, make a short outline before writing. Next is coherence and cohesion. A fancy way of saying, does your writing make sense and flow well? This includes logical sequencing of information, clear paragraphing, effective use of linking words like however, on the other hand, moreover, etc. Let's see band comparison. Band 5 might feel disorganized with incorrect or overused connectors. Band 7 has a logical flow and uses connectors appropriately. Band 9 flows so naturally you barely notice any transitions. It feels effortless. Tip: use a mix of linking devices but don't overdo it. Variety and accuracy are key points here. The next 25% are about lexical resource. This one's about your vocabulary. IELTS wants to see range. Can you use more than just basic words? Second one is precision. Are you choosing the right word for the context? The third one is collocations. Do your word combinations sound natural, like make a decision, not do a decision? Let's see band comparison. Band 5 uses very basic words and repeats them. Band 7 uses a good range with some natural collocations and only occasional errors. Band 9 has precise, natural and impressive vocabulary used flexibly. Here's a tip. Don't just learn big words, learn how to use them correctly. Read model essays and notice word patterns. Next one is about grammatical range and accuracy. Grammar is not just about avoiding mistakes, it is also about variety. What they look for? Do you use a mix of sentence structures, simple, compound, and complex? Second thing, are your tenses consistent and correct? Third thing, are your articles, subject-verb agreements, and punctuations accurate? Let's see band comparison. Band 5 usually means frequent mistakes, mostly basic sentence types. Band 7 has a variety of structures but may still contain noticeable errors. Band 9 is nearly error-free with natural control of grammar and structure. Here's a tip. Practice writing complex sentences and ask a teacher or native speaker to review your work. Use grammar checkers like Grammarly for basic help. Let's see speaking the 4 key criteria. The speaking test is judged on 4 things, all equally important. First one is fluency and coherence. In that, they check for, can you speak smoothly without too many pauses or fillers like do your ideas correct logically? The second one is lexical resource. Are you using appropriate vocabulary? Can you paraphrase when needed? The third one is grammatical range and accuracy. Can you use a variety of sentences types accurately while speaking? And the fourth one is pronunciation. Are you easy to understand? Do you use intonation and stress naturally? Here's a tip. Record yourself answering questions and listen back. Notice how often you pause, repeat, or struggle for words. Try shadowing native speakers on YouTube or podcasts. Repeat their sentences aloud to improve rhythm and pronunciation. Let's wrap up with 3 key takeaways. First one, understand the criteria. Know what examiners expect before you start preparing. Second one, work on your weak areas. Focus, practice beats random study every time. Third one is remember to practice, practice and practice. Real improvement comes from regular effort. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more IELTS tips, lessons and practice strategies. And don't forget to drop a comment below with your IELTS questions. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your IELTS journey.